Hi, so what I have here is a couple of magnetic key boxes here. So this large particular one is the Master Lock 207D. So this is this big one right here. So what I want to do is show you the different various sizes of keys and whether they fit them or not. Now these particular ones are very popular on Amazon, and they are kind of like the small little key boxes, whereas this one is actually relatively gigantic. So I do want to compare this side by side with a very typical kind of real estate lockbox. So if I put it side by side, you could get a sense of just how big this is. And these are actually fairly limited. This is not magnetic, but I just wanted to show you the particular size. So let me go ahead and start out with these small ones. So these small ones, you could see your typical keys here are the quick set ones, and they're the standard size. So if you look at it here, I have 3 keys in here, and it fits pretty nicely. The drawback with these is that if you have a slightly wider key or longer key, it starts becoming troublesome. So for example, this Yale key here simply will not fit. It's too wide. And obviously just by comparing the size with this Master Lock one, it is actually fairly perfect. So let me go ahead and so what I'll also do is I'll show you the magnetic strength, because the last thing you want to do is have these on your door or steel magnets and actually have it like fall off. So right here you could see the particular keys, and this particular one is ridiculously huge. So you could see I even have a bunch of stuff here, with one of these key fobs. It fits the key fobs. If I show you the car key here, so this particular car key fits no issue. Sure, with the keychain it's not going to fit, but for this car key you could see how it fits basically with no issue. The good thing about this Master Lock one is it's pretty snug as far as how it closes up, but also when you're taking it out, you just depress here and then it pops right out. And I do want to show you some of the width measurements. So here it is 1 3/4, the inner width. And then if I stick this in here, you can see how deep it is. And it's actually pretty deep right there. So that does not compare to this. Basically you could put 2 of these in here. Now just to show you how ridiculously huge this is, I'm gonna stuff all these keys in here, and it's no problem. Like I might have to wiggle it a little bit, but you could say like that, it just fits. So if you have a bunch of keys, including some of the keychains here, they fit pretty easily. Now once again, with this car key fob, it fits very easily. Even with another fob, it fits like that. Now I have 8 keys in this Key Smart keychain, and it could go in easily like that. So if you have a Key Smart and you want to just put it in, it fits like that. So just comparing this Master Lock actually has more room than these particular lock boxes. So these particular lock boxes are pretty limited, because when it closes, you might have something that's blocking. So if you have a keychain, something like this, sometimes you see sometimes it has trouble even closing up. Now this isn't magnetic, and let me actually, now is probably the point where I show you the magnetic strength of each one of these. So, you know, right here, this is the master lock. And I'm gonna put it on my door here. You could see how it just snaps in place. Now, the underside of this with the magnet, that's how the magnet looks. And there is some flex here, so don't be concerned when the sides go in like that. It's actually kind of double-sided here. So once again, just to show you how strong this is, you know, it's pretty strong. So, and it looks pretty sturdy. So this is well worth it. This here is about $6, whereas these pairs are also about $6. So if I show you the magnet here, this is a neodymium or something magnet, and this is also pretty strong, but it's not as strong as the master lock. So you can imagine here, you know, I have these 3 keys, and you know, just slipping these 3 keys in. Now, if all you need this for is, you know, your standard 3 kind of like quick set size standard key lengths, then that's not an issue. You know, if you just put it in here like this, you know, it does snap in place pretty strongly. Now, the one problem I did have is sometimes these magnets fall out. So I actually had to use construction adhesive to glue this one down. So, you know, maybe, perhaps, you know, this isn't really as sturdy. So just to give you an up-close look at this, you know, it's just your typical plastic. So is the master lock, by the way. But it doesn't feel like it's toy plastic. Like this looks like it's toy plastic. On the other hand, it's for whatever you want to use it for. So I'll have these in the links in the description area. You know, so you know, you could kind of, you know, just like myself, you buy both. You see different purposes for different ones. And just like that. Just give you some 360 view of each one of these. You can see how this is a little bit hollowed out, but I think it gives it like probably the strength, the way it's designed. This is officially master lock. So if you're into the brand name, maybe that's the way to go. And I do want to show you just side by side again. And I think I tried out all of these keys. So maybe once again giving you this demo here. Now I will have the links in the description area of this video. And I really think that's it. I hope this helps, and you know, please subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.